Math equation finding the missing number. Concept the missing number. When subtraction problem is missing the second number, the one being taken away, you must subtract to find it, not add. Example, 200 blank 137. Then 200 take 200 and 127 equals to do the subtraction and the missing number 63. Check your answer. 137 plus 63 equals 200. The two smaller numbers should add up to the top number. For a warm up, fill in the.
Okay, so Mama will give you up. Okay, so I want, what do you want number? Oh, si Mami na lang.
It's po.
3, dapat 3 na to eh. Okay, let's say 280 minus blank equals, tapos dito mo gagawin yung sagot mo ha.
Okay.
And then I have blank minus 312 equals think maano yung bigay ni Mami sa'yo? Madali or mahirap?
Madali. Or maybe mahirap.
Okay. And then, okay, try. So the first one is
280 minus
blank equals
175.
okay, so what are you gonna do?
Ibla plus? Or Ibla minus? What's a minus?
Ano sabi sa think?
Subtract to find it, not
No, sa think. 280.
280 minus 175. Do the subtraction to find the missing number.
Okay, so 280. Lagay dito. Plus 175. Okay.
0 minus 5. Bawal yun. Then na to, ito, 7. 10 minus 5 equals 5.
Okay.
7 minus 7 equals 7.
7 minus 7?
0. 2 minus 1 equals 1.
Okay. So your answer is
105.
Okay, so you will, no. How do you check? Check your answer.
What your answer?
So it's 137. So 175 plus
Plus
105. Dapat maging 280. Okay? So you put here 175 plus plus
plus
105
five
equals
equals
ano?
oh yeah, I forgot that equals
5
5 plus 5 10. 0
Okay, 31.
1 plus 7 8 8 plus 0 equals 0.
7
7
plus 1, 8. 8 plus 0 equals? Oh,
1 plus 1 2.
tama ka? Tama?
No.
Tama!
Oh,
280.
Oh, yeah,
So
I forgot.
tama ka. So your answer is
100.
100 and next.
Blank minus 31. 330. Okay.
312 equals
330
8.
equals 8. Wait lang po.
Okay.
May yan may
This is a minus 18
Love.
equals 2 minus 8. Bawal yun. 1. But 9 na yung 1, mama, or yung 0?
Yung ano?
Ito.
10 na siya.
Ito. 12 minus 8.
Bakit siya naging 10? Kasi di ba 1 siya? So magiging 0 na siya, di ba? Eh di, may 1 pa dito. So 10 na siya. Instead of 11. Okay?
Okay. 12 minus 8 equals. Mama. Oh, yes, I did that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Then minus 8 equals 2. 3 minus 0 equals 3. Okay? 324. Next. Mama, ano i-plus ko po, mama, yung sa answer ko po?
324 plus 88. dapat ang lalabas is
300 and
Ay.
312.
Ayun lang.
Nice. Bus, bus. Nice one.
Malito kasi dapat ko, di ba nanghiram ka na sa kanila? You borrowed here, right?
Yun yung
Oh,
Dapat two na. Di ba?
I forgot. I didn't.
So, dapat 224 plus 88. Dapat ang lalabas 312. Okay?
Or plus you well, minus 8 equals 4.
ito na natin to, pre.
Mama, 242.
Sige lang, sige lang. Mag-assess na. Parang tayo.
Mali dapat 312. 8 plus 4. 12. 2, diba?
Yeah.
8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, bakit naging 4 to? 11. Diba?
Yes.
Oh, ayusin mo yung gawa mo.
Sorry.
Look, look.
150 minus 100.
190.
0, 5, 0. Mama, 1 minus 1 equals 0, right?
Ano mahal?
Opo, 1 minus 0 equals 0.
No. Ano yan? 150 minus 100. 0, 5, 0 na to. Sabihin mo ko kay mama, 1 minus 1. Hindi 1 minus 0. Ang 1 minus 1 equals 0. Ang 1 minus 0 equals 1.
Hindi, Mama, sinabi ko ng 1 minus 1.
Huh? Sabi mo 1 minus 0 eh.
1 minus 1 equals
Huh?
then 0 pa po siya. 0 pa po siya.
0 na. Pero hindi mo na yun ilalagay, invisible na yun kasi 50 na siya.
Okay. Push the Okay.
Wow.
Zero minus 0 equals 0. 0, 5 minus 0 equals 5. Okay.
Kano ka?
Part B. Check your work. Add the backs up your item 2 above. Add your answer plus 33. Does it equal 78?
Ganun. Wait lang ang ano. Hindi mo lang.
Like, oh, oh.
Uy.
Pause na natin.
Okay.
Do English first.
English foundation. Finding the stop point. Concept. Fixing run-on sentence. A run-on sentence happens when two ideas are joined without a period or a connector. Wrong. I went to the park. I played with my dog. I got tired. Right. I went to the park. I played with my dog. I got tired.
Okay. So these are the paragraphs you wrote before. I want you to find the run-on sentences and fix it. Okay? Okay. Sige nga. Yung basa.
I love to play at church and craft after learning.
So, paano mo dapat yun?
I love to play at church
Period.
and craft.
No, wala nang end.
I craft after learning.
See? Okay, one more. Here.
Mail tayo. Ito po.
To church.
Diba? Period. Malaking A. After.
Gone to church.
Okay, paano?
Went. So,
Diba?
yeah.
So you're right. We went to church.
Kasi ang naisip. Wala rin sa gawa eh. Kapag natin yung phone.
To. Mama, may trick daw eh. Read your sentence out loud every time you naturally pause to breathe. That's a stop point.
Di ba yun natin? Binasa mo, di ba?
We went to church. Went to church. Wala na yung after.
Period.
Nag-period na po ako.
Next sentence. After going to church. Malaki dapat yun eh.
Now. So, after going to church, after going to church, Mama, yung itong buong sentence, lahat na.
Yung mga ano lang, yung mga run-on sentences after going to here. comma, comma. Given a time zone.
Mama, dapat small.
Pag comma, small yung kasagot. At time zone, malaking T. Time zone, malaking T. Period.
Period.
We are
Big W.
celebrating.
See?
Ito, ginawa mo.
Celebrating.
Lexuses. Kapag ganyan, anak.
Alam ko, Mama, yung
No,
class.
kasi S, kapag S, ano ba, pag sinabi mo Lexus, S na kasi to, di ba? So, pag apostrophe, ganyan lang, wala ng S. Pero pag halimbawa, sinabi mo OD, because this is not S, you will put ODs. T.
Okay.
This one, Lexus's teeth. Okay? Parang yung kawork ni Mami, si Nils. So when I put here, Nils's score, I don't put S anymore.
Okay.
Okay?
Mama, so Mama, big error small.
Celebrate big L because it's a name, right?
Yeah.
Kasi araw-araw nagtiklin.
Very good. Halimbawa, pag kay Ninang, is it Yara's apostrophe S?
Ganito.
Dito. Paano pag kay Ninang?
Porcel pa.
Very good. Ano pa bang S yung sa dulo?
Sarah.
Hindi, yung sa dulo.
May na pa ba? Okay.
Sige na. Lexuses. Ayusin mo yung apostrophe mo, parang wala lang.
Success Steve.
Okay, see? Kaya ka nahihirapan na gumawa ng... Can you listen to mama? Oh, period. That's why sometimes it's hard for you to make paragraphs. Di ba lagi ka sabi sa'yo sa dito, make 5 sentences. Tapos for you, it's so hard, right? Because you're making run-on sentences. You can make it, halimbawa, ayan, oh, 3 na yan, oh. 1, 2, 3 sentences na agad, right?
Yeah.
But when you make it a run-on sentence, 1 lang siya. Diba? Naiintindihan mo po? Diba? So, you can make it konti-konti, right? Or halimbawa to, the exciting part there is 2 VRs and we played both VRs and we played so many games like bumper cars. Oh, diba? So, pwede mo siyang, the exciting part there is 2 VRs, period. We played both VRs, period. And we played so many games like bumper cars. O, 3 sentences na ulit siya. 6 sentences na siya. Diba? But they are only asking you 5. Right? Oh, now you know? You're very good kaya.
Ipapagalitan ko sila, Claude, mama, kasi 5 sentences, kaya ko ng 3.
No. 6 na nga yun, no? Ang ginagawa mo lang kasi, pinagdudugtong-dugtong mo. 'Di ba? Okay, read aloud check.
Read aloud. Check? What is that?
Wait nga. Alam mo, parang may mga mali sa ginawa. Diba? May mga mali talaga sa sa pinapagawa ni Claude sa'yo. Kunin mo na yung mask mo. Give mama your mask problem. Ay. Alawin ko po si Claude. Pero naintindihan mo, anak? Naintindihan mo yung sinasabi ni namin sa'yo? Diba, you're making it difficult. Pero, tama naman yun. Kaya lang, if you want more sentences, huwag ka mag-run on. Okay. English muna tayo or math?
Ay, pero,
Okay. Let's wait for that to say.
Okay.
Good job. Thank you, ha. Very good.
Wait, let me open the lines.
Kaliwa, ay may apagi din.
Opo. Nani, ano mo na po.
Dito ka na, number 1. You fix it. Okay?
A. Find the stop points and periods in capital letters. We went to the market.
Sneaker. Sneaker ka po eh. Yes. Yes.
We went to the market. We bought fish and vegetables.
Cheese bread ba yun?
Baka pupunta ako.
Dalawa din.
Ano po yun, ta?
Tapos, fish bread, you want cheese bread?
No thanks.
Ikaw rin.
We bought
Initin mo lang lahat.
Mama, can I put veggies? Kasi hindi na lang.
Sure, anak. May space pa sa baba.
Okay.
Ito, namumuro na ito. Namumuro na ito.
Hoy, namumuro ka dyan.
Ano nga?
Oma,
Hmm.
oma.
Hip, ano niyo na?
My sister and I played outside. We saw a butterfly.
Is that a big letter, mom, for mama?
No, it's a comma.
No, that's not. It should not be a comma. It should be a period.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
Huli lahat sila. Ano ako, ma-cupid pa lang. Well, para.
my sister and I played outside.
May bumisis pa yun. 12 buwan pala. Sakit. Kasama natin.
What's it? Mama,
Hmm.
sabi do mama add periods and capital. Also periods lang, no commas. Okay. We played out. My sister and I played outside.
Yun, no? Tapos din yung live still. Pumapalag talaga yung skill ko niya. Paano? Bumaan. Sa igits yan. Nice, dalawa. Shit. Okay, pag nag-rating ng MM natin, pwede ba, no?
The leaves started to fall.
Ano lang,
Inside, we watched a movie together. The rain started to fall. Wait lang.
seconds of time. Rock free. Ay, no. Pasok, pasok. Pasok.
Joins
Wait ka pa. Ay, no, sa pool. Ay. Ah. Natin yung vlog. Salitin na lang.
we ran inside. We ran inside.
Bunot pa.
We watched a movie.
Gulo. Oh. Ay, sa'yo na. Ba, 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 ba.
Part B, read aloud. Check. Number of natural stops.
Magsalang ka muna, tsaka ka mag-join ulit. Para nakasalang habang naglalaro.
Mama,
Okay.
what?
Number of...
Wait lang, i-close ko.
Okay. Dito mo na lang banda. Stop mo lang. Huwag mo lang i-ganon-ganon. Not flowing. No, not flowy lang. Oh, yan. Oh. Okay. Oh, come here. So, read sentence number 2. So, this one daw.
My sister,
How many times you pause to breathe?
my sister, and
That's how many times you breathe? You read lang. My sister.
my sister and I played outside.
Okay. Oh, you breathe. That's one.
We saw a butterfly.
Okay, you breathe. That's two.
It was orange and black.
So, three. Oh, number of natural stops is...
3.
Okay. How many periods did you add?
3.
Oh, so it's a
Sample. It's
a match. Right?
yeah.
Right? Okay, next.
Part C. One idea or two. Circle your answer. The dog barked loudly at the mailman. Yun daw gagawin.
One idea or two. The dog barked loudly at the mailman. Is it just one idea or two ideas?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Tingnan mo yung number two.
I woke up early and brushed my teeth. I ate breakfast.
How many ideas are there?
1. Oh, 2.
So yung the dog barked loudly at the mailman. Two ideas yun?
1.
See? Ayun o, circle daw. Circle your answer.
Circle.
One idea or two idea?
One idea.
I
I woke up early and brushed my teeth. I ate breakfast. 2 ideas. She sings beautifully. 1 idea. Part B. More stops, points to find. The sun was hot. The sun was hot. We drank water.
Isa lang ka na? Ha? Isa lang ka na? Isa lang mo lang. Tapos pwede ka naman maglaro habang nakasalang.
Mama, kagaya itong Phineas and Ferb. Kasi mama, they rested under the tree thinking some ideas. Papa fixed the tricycle. It took a long time. Then we went for a ride. Papa fixed the tricycle. Don't eat it without me. And just
Later na, after school.
don't eat it. O sabi mo.
After yung dalawa.
Hindi po. Wala akong pagkain.
After nyo nang mag-school dalawa.
Mama, pagtapos ko, can you eat one? Kasi
Ito ang madaya. Kasalang ka na, B? Ano sinalang mo? Yung mga damit mo na. Hindi ka pa nagsabay ng ano. Tapos sinabay mo na yung mga ano.
Ano ba yung towel?
Towel o ano yan.
Papa fixed
O di, bilisan mo na. Mag-aaral pa yung kapatid mo.
Papa fixed the tricycle. It took a long time. Part E. Add the missing period. Quick drill. Part F. Capital letters. Check. My dog. Oh!
Grabe. Wala pang isang oras nag-aaral.
Hmm.
Ngayon pala balik niya ni Chris.
She lives in Quezon City. Naon.
Mag-aaraw na tayo ulit mamaya. Araw.
Hindi na po kayo nag-aaraw, Mama.
Nanonood kami ng Korean.
Tapos na, wala ka pang naanak ko.
Wala pa. May gusto akong panood kaso alam ko matagal na yun eh. Juvenile Justice. Mamaya sisilipin. Bibilis kasi lang Korean ngayon. Parang 2 araw lang tapos mo. Eh?
Yep. Part A. Fix the run-on paragraph. So many run-on paragraph.
Yun yung ginawa mo kasi ng mga una, kaya sinifix. Matutulog na daw si Nenet, B? Hindi na kayo maglaro. Ay, 12:00 na din pala.
Yesterday was a busy day. Mama, do you know why yesterday is yes?
What?
Kasi yes day.
Mamaya ka. Amoy si Mami. Amoy! Amoy lang. Hindi ako nakabok. Amoy. Ayun.
Yes.
Thank you.
Tita.
You have candy kay ano? Wait lang, yung susok ko makita sa picture doon.
Sorry. Yesterday.
Kasi po sa kanya, pasok ko bukas eh. Pabalik sa dito. So, yeah. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi ko, baka makasambol siya dito. Sabi ko sa kanya, pagka sinabi ako,
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
kailangan na kami ganyan na ganyan yung sinabi mo sa amin.
Narinig ko na yan.
Narinig ko sa doon yung sinabi na babalik ka ng kinabukasan. Yung kinabukasan mo.
Grabe sila sa'yo, no? Ang hard nila sa'yo, no?
Sabi pa ni Isha, ano yan? Baka hindi mo na ako movie. Kasi si Cheche daw pupunta, ganyan sabi ko sa kanya, naniniwala ka pa kay Cheche. Umuwi na lang siya.
Usap kayo. Okay.
Tumawag ba ate, sabi niya sa akin, kapal ng mukha ng anak mo. Sa jeep daw ate. May nagbibideo tsaka nagpipicture daw kay Zeke. Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, dapat siningil mo 50 picture, 100 video. Sabi ko naman, sabi niya, Dita, nahihiya ako Sabi niya, bakit? Pinapaypayan si Zeke.
Nakita niya ata.
Hindi ko alam mo. Ano ka tutulog na sila mo?
So many sentences. 6 o'clock. Mama, wait lang po. Mama, sipan po.
Norte pa naman.
Kasi mama, meron ko lang stock sa ilong ko.
Oo.
Hindi ko matanggal. Natanggal na po.
Okay.
Mama, narinig ko po yung para-paraan. Tsaka bigla ako nagulat.
Paano gulat mo? Ano?
Paano nila pinanta yan? Kaya,
Ano nang para-paraan yun? Get me
ay,
yun?
get me. Pumunta pala sila Lexus. Ano? Chickens. Wait lang po. The chickens. Mm, I helped Mama sweep the yard. Hmm. Then I did my worksheets after lunch. Come on, get me. Usa na naman.
Kain na po.
Kain?
Ayan na.
Sige po. I'm gonna eat my homework.
Ako.
So, Mama, tumataas yung buhok ko.
Buka ka nang sa dako din. Pa-monster ka na dyan.
Ganito, Mama.
Takot mo na sa teacher.
Teacher.
Dali na po.
I read a book. Okay, open Google.
What?
Because part B, advanced vocabulary word. Enormous. I know. Enormous. It's big. Very, very big.
Kapag alam mo na, huwag mo na i-search kay Google. You just write there.
May unti. May
Ayan.
madami.
Pag alam mo na nga, isulat mo na dyan. Pag hindi mo alam, yun lang yung i-search mo.
Okay.
Mhm.
Happy is ino
Sabi ng kuya mo, ano na? Yan.
Ano?
Baka naisip lang siya, Sophia.
Delighted. Good.
Plancha sa'yo.
Nasaan na si Taylor Swift?
Huh? Ano po?
Yung nasaan?
Kanino?
Si Travis. Travis Kelce.
Will you hire me, please?
Official na ba yan, Val?
Very happy.
Yung kay Taylor?
Ay, yung wedding?
Oo. Oh, ayan. Kinasal na no.
Madami siyang ex-boyfriend, mama, pero ngayon, bigla magiging ex-husband na.
Huwag naman, grabe ka naman.
Dami.
May mga pictures na lumabas eh.
Grabe ka naman. Masaya na siya sa buhay niya, hayaan mo na siya.
Masaya na siya sa love story.
Pinit ko na ito sa'yo. Painit yan.
Ano po yung fitness na
Okay.
Sana.
Cautious. Exercising careful forethought and restraint to avoid risks, mistakes, or danger. I'm cautious about learning. Di ba, Mama, sabi daw mistakes or danger? Mistakes.
I'm cautious about yung pagtatawid ka sa road. Oh, diba?
I'm cautious about buying candy. Kasi
Why?
minsan poison din.
No.
Hindi. Hmm. I'm cautious about fire.
Yeah.
Sorry, Pookie. Show me. Furious. Someone eager to learn or investigate or something that is unusual, stranger, expected. I'm curious about sharks.
Yeah, are you?
Yeah, kasi minsan I don't know how they die or how yung how they can live, ganon. And mama,
Curious if they are really eating humans.
no, nakikita ko naman po yun eh. Wait lang, ma'am. Eggs.
Yeah.
You know, Romeo. Humans aren't a part of my diet. Nag-usap yung shark. Hi. Part C2, more vocabulary words. Generous. Someone who freely gives or shares their time, money, or resources without expecting anything in return.
Are you generous?
Hmm. Yeah, di ba, Mama, when you get, you buy You buy us toys. We give you return hugs and kisses. Mama, napupupo na talaga ako.
Okay, baby. Mapupaso na ni Mami. Okay.
Generous. Furious. Extremely angry, enraged, or full wild rage. Kagaya ng Fast and Furious. Mama sometimes watches something that Fast and Furious.
Yan.
Yeah. For D, reading comprehension. Full sentence answers. Maya was curious about the enormous mango tree behind her house. She was delighted when she found a bird's nest. She was cautious as she climbed. Look, why was Emma cautious? Why was Maya cautious? How did Maya feel when she found the nest? Very Part E, vocabulary match. Write the word very big, very small. Oh, enormous.
Mhm. Very good.
Mm. Careful. What's careful?
Oh,
Cautious? Oh, very happy, delighted, wanting to know. Curious.
Palagi lang ako. Huwag ka naman mo yan. Huwag kayo priyamin.
AM na agad. Morning, bilis naman. Prompt, write about an adventure with your dogs or trip to Kids Church. Write 3 short paragraphs, 3 to 5 each sentences each before you write each sentences, decide where it ends, then put the period before starting the sentence. Ollie, come here. Come here muna. Ollie. Wait lang, Marus.
Alina.
Okay. Paragraph writing 1. Beginning. Hmm. Um, um,
How about you tell them
the
about...
Father's Day, when we played the 3 Unos.
Okay. Avoid run-on sentences, ha?
No, I don't know how.
Just avoid.
Why, Mama? Hanggang dito na, Mama. Idadot.
Dali na.
Oh, hindi ko alam eh. After, after going to church. Going to church. What? Before going to church, when going to church,
Try to use yung mga new words mo. Enormous. Yan.
oh,
Yes, talaga. Ate, come on. Sige na, sige na. Sige na. Ay, no. Anak mo. Cute. Anak mo, cute. Sarap kurutin. Sa singit. Walang chat sa'yo si Jan? Kaya mo, no?
Nantok na ako.
Saan ko lang ang ginagawa.
Kaya po may pinapagawa. Tatanong muna eh.
Kahit ano.
Mag-ulit.
nagmamadali na nga po ako mama.
Tapos ka na? Ano? Ang purpose ng computer yun?
Anong purpose ng lamesa niya? Tanong mo. Tanong mo, binibili ka pa ng lamesa.
Kaya nga, dyan ka lang din
Maganda.
naman pala. Tanong ka na ate, anong purpose ng lamesa mo? Yung mga ayos.
Hindi nilalamig daw kasi dyan ang bal.
Malamig ka naman kasi.
Sige nga, te, kaya mo ba dito simula alas 12 hanggang alas 8? Eh, ang bukas ng aircon, te, alas 6. Napapakinabangan ko lang nga siya, te, alas 7. Alas 7 onwards.
Kasi wala na.
Wala aircon, te.
So, umaga lang siya.
Itataas nga ni yan.
Bumabanda nga siya, te, kahit na itaas mo. 399 lang itaas yan, te.
Ah.
Nakataas.
Ah.
Tapos, bumabanda siya dito sa may pader, te. Di gumagano'n din sa mukha. Huwag na lang.
Paragraph 2, middle.
Ito hindi pa ito tapos. At tapos na ba ito, Val? Hindi pa. Yung isa pa lang yung nag-aaral. Tapos ka na may school na eh?
AM na nga po eh.
Yan na. Wala pa naman. Ang oras na ba? Oh.
Ate, gusto ko na magano. After,
Dalawang subject ata.
Kasi naghahabol nga kung may abs na, di ba?
Hindi, nag-araw din yan.
Next week, one day naman.
Kaya mo yan natin. So,
dapat hindi kami nagsakit.
Dati kasi, hayaan ko lang kayo.
Ayun na. Ano, sa'yo pala uniform niyo? In fairness naman, okay yung uniform niyo.
Paragraph 3. And a glass shattered.
Yeah. And what did Ninang do?
Look at what's bread!
Diba?
Hindi niya makalimutan yung ginawa mo sa bread.
Saan?
Kung may nabasag, di ba? Kinuha mo ng bread.
Oh.
Sayang yung tinapay noon lang. Part B.
Sunod naman yun na.
Part B. Self-check before you submit. Every sentence starts with a capital letter.
Hindi ko
Check.
O pala ka.
Every sentence ends with a period or Yes. I read my story out loud and it did not sound like one long one sentence. Mama,
Yung kabila, yes.
Archie, fix this run on. Mama, I want one today.
No. Bilisan mo na.
Kasi wala tuloy ang computer ko. Ayun.
Sabi pa na oras mo, 12 pa lang. Susera.
At saka matutulog na sila ate Cheche.
Ay, matutulog talaga yan kay meron niyang pasok.
Dapat wala. We went to church. Mhm. Mhm. We sang songs, we listened to the past story. My dogs ran. He barked at the bird. It flew away. Mm. My dogs ran in the yard. They made fun.
Serious to, di ba?
Serious lang?
Hmm.
Hindi. Hindi.
They barked at the bird. Oh, wait. Part 3 Vocabulary Speed Round. Meaning match. More bilugan. Ano daw gagawin? Meaning match.
You circle daw, enormous. Anong ibig sabihin niya? Very big or very small?
Very big.
Mm.
Cautious. Careful. Delighted. Very happy. Curious. Wanting to know. Part E. One more sentence. Check. Oh. Write one sentence using the word enormous and one using cautious. Ito na, Mama, yung sinabi mo po. Morning. Finished.
Lexus muna, tapos balik ka sa akin for math. Okay?
Okay. What's this?